Wow. Now I don't feel so bad about going bald. So me, I specialize in the financial services arena. So I'm constantly in the public. I'm constantly dealing with people. I'm constantly in the eye of people all over. And not until recently, I noticed that my hair started thinning. And to be honest with you, Tim, the biggest effect of that was not so much as embarrassment. That wasn't the issue, or what other people felt about me. The biggest issue for me was how I saw myself. When you lose something from yourself, it's gonna have some type of effect on you. And you know, we are men, so we are not, for the most part, we don't stay looking in the mirror, you know. So that was the biggest thing for me when I noticed my hair started thinning. There was one day I caught myself looking in the mirror, and I did it several times, and I was not happy with looking in the mirror, because I am a man. We're meant to be tough, you know. And that really frustrated me, and I developed a self-conscious, and I never been self-conscious about myself, and I cut my hair all the way off. And I got a lot of great compliments. I didn't get anything negative from it, but I did not like it myself. I did not know who this guy was. I mean, to be honest with you, I feel like this guy was an imposter. You know, I feel like it just took over me. I don't know who this guy is, you know? So it was I had to get used to this new guy with no hair. You know, but even while I was going bald and I was shaving every day, I still wanted to have my hair back. Because even before I went bald, I had a nice full head of hair, but I was thinning some. And I just was not happy with that. So I'm not going to necessarily say that I started looking for alternatives to hair growth or anything like that. Someone contacted me through email. I don't know how they got my information, but they contacted me through email about hair transplant. And I went for a consultation. He took pictures of my hair and started telling me all these things. And I even highly considered that. But at the time, my money was not right. You know, I wasn't able to fund the procedure. It was very, very expensive. And then from there, I didn't do any more research either. But I came across an individual that got the hair transplant, and from then, and you know, YouTube has an algorithm. So like if you look at one video, they'll constantly post things in your feed that is related to what you look for in the video. So I started learning things about people getting the hair transplant. It was really, really bad scarring, and then I found out that micropigmentation fixed the scarring. And I seen the before after, you didn't even see the scar anymore. They was able to repair the scar, and then that's how I found out what that is. And then I came across the individual that actually got it done, and it was just a really, really good job. So it got me very, very interested in it.
So what is your expectation, like after the scalp micropigmentation done, like the first section? Do you mind like show people if you really don't? I know it's kind of embarrassing.
Yeah.
I wear wig before, I wear hat all the time,
Yeah.
but if you don't mind, like show.
Well, hell, man, if you know, if you wore a wig, then I don't have nothing in comparison to that, you know. Yeah, so I ultimately feel confident about myself, Tim. So I wouldn't necessarily say I have a low self-esteem or low confidence. It's just getting used to a new you. So even with the micropigmentation, I'm gonna have to get used to that, because that's still gonna be another person, you know. But I will be a little bit more familiar with that guy than the guy with no hair.
So kind of like we try to build a better version of yourself, like more organized.
In a way, yeah, because you know, it's you know, I'm glad that you asked that question, Tim, because to be honest with you, that would be more of the common answer that people would give to look better. I wouldn't necessarily say that. You're gonna give me a new version of myself rather than better. And I appreciate that, because if I'm confident about myself, I'm always gonna get better every day anyway. But you'll be offering me a new version of myself, yeah. So okay. I don't really necessarily have an expectation. I kind of want to have a little bit of how I was, you know, but I'm open to see a new version of myself. So you want everybody to see me, but I can't see me?
So this is like backgrounds, okay? So Josh, okay?
Yes.
Like, thank you so much for your time. Like, I want you to stand up, take a look at the mirror, okay? Tell me.
Wow. I can definitely see it coming in. I lost to hide it so much. Wait for this to go in, but wow. Now I don't feel so bad about going bald.
This is a good one.
Yes.
Now this is session 1, okay?
Yes.
So we look forward, like, feel more density for you on session 2.
Yes.
You like it?
Too. Yes, I love
And
it.
you will like it, thumb up. Give me a light. All right, very nice.
Thank you.
So, okay, Josh, after this, session 1 done, what do you feel?
Number one, I feel relieved because I was looking at different testimonies and seeing different people, and I really didn't know what to. Even though I saw them, it wasn't real to me. I didn't know what to expect. You know what I'm saying? So after this first session, you know, I can see results. It's always great to see results right away. This is why people don't work out, because they want results right away. They don't want to wait.
So far you, like, this is exactly what you expect, or better than you expect, or less than that you expect?
Well,
The,
I didn't have a bunch of expectations, to be honest with you. I believed that I had a good feeling that you could do a good job, and I just wanted to see what you do. I think sometimes we have too many expectations, then you lead yourself to too much disappointment. You know, so I didn't really have expectation. To be honest with you, I just wanted something that because when I go in the mirror to get ready for work, I don't take a lot of time. But when my hair is thinning, it's a lot of time to get it right. So thanks to you, it'll be much shorter time.
okay. Very good. Thank you so much, Josh.
You're welcome.
All right.